Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I learned 5 hacks as an iPhone user and I'm going to share them with you. Hack number 1. We're going to click on Settings, scroll up to Accessibility, click on that, scroll up to Touch, click on that, then scroll up to Back Tap, click on that. Then here you have double tap and triple tap. I'm choosing double tap. So here are all the functions that will work with that feature. I'm looking for screenshot. So I'm gonna tap on screenshot and then the check goes there. I just exit out of it and let's try to see if what we just did would work. So we're gonna use one finger to just magic. Hack number 2. We go to message, choose a person we want to send a message to. We go to emojis, choose our emojis. I always like to go back and return twice just to put a space between it. Let's choose that one. Go back, return twice again. Go back to emojis. Let's send a GIF. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click and hold this down. Boom. Here we have screen and bubble. I'm going to hit screen because I want it to pop out just like that. Yes. Then go ahead and hit send. The person will receive the message just the way it pops up at you, so no more boring texts. Hack number 3. Go to settings, scroll up to control center, scroll up to herring, click on the plus sign, it goes away, then you swipe up and you'll see it right here. Click on it. It says listen live, connect a compatible audio. Now, if you have a Bluetooth, you can connect that to it, leave the phone in an area, and you will hear whatever goes on in that area. Now, a disclaimer here. I did not invent this. I just learned it myself. Hack number 4. So, sometimes we want our music to be a bit louder just to get a vibe. Here's how you do it. Go to settings, scroll up to music, click on it, scroll up and look for volume limit or sound check. You may not find both, but you'll find one. Here we go. Sound check, make sure it's off. Then we go to EQ, click on it, and scroll up and look for late night. Click on that. Now your music will be louder than you expected. Hack number 5. So did you know that you can send a personal message? Yes. Make it a little bit special and personal. Go into your message, click on the person you want to send a message to, and turn your phone horizontally. Then go into your message box and this little symbol right here, click on it. And now you're able to send a personal message with your signature, anything you want. Hit done and send. Nice, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.